Hi class, we are at week 3, and in addition to your normal activities this week, we have one additional activity in preparation for your exam next week. I have posted a study guide right here, Exam 1 Study Guide, and this will guide your studying for the exam. It has all the learning outcomes that were listed for each of the units, and then specifically what you need to know for each of those learning outcomes. So that's a document you can print off and use to guide your studying. This is also posted right here at Exam 1 Study Guide Wiki. And a wiki is basically like a Google document, and it's a place where you can collaborate with other students to study for this exam. In order to participate, you just want to click on Edit. So you'll notice here, I want you to post your response in green. I'm going to be giving my feedback in red, and that way you get my feedback. You can make sure you're on the right page for what you're studying, and we can all collaborate and study together, which is really fun. So I give you directions on here on how to change the color, but I'll walk you through that as well. So if you click Edit, you can go into the document, and you can see my toolbar is expanded here. Oftentimes it's not expanded. It looks like this, and there's not the option to change a color. So if I want to go down here and talk about list the macronutrients, carbohydrate, fat, or I'll say lipids, and protein, also water, and I want to change this to red, or actually I'm pretending to be a student, so I'll change it to green. I need to expand this toolbar, so I'll click there, and then I'm going to highlight my text, and I can change it to green. So no need to put your name. I have a history of who has edited this document, and that's how I will give you extra credit for participating in this assignment. After you're done editing the document, make sure you save. This is going to be a really great tool for you to study for the exam. All the information you need will be right here, and you don't have to fill out the whole thing on your own. We have 70 students in this course that will be helping you with this assignment. So have fun with it.